Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dhyana Bhavsar with an update on Australia weather. Severe weather warnings for damaging winds in 4 states. A strong low pressure system and associated cold front are funneling wild winds across southeastern Australia this Tuesday, with severe weather warnings for potentially damaging winds issued for parts of Victoria, South Australia and New South Wales and the ACT. Meanwhile, in Western Australia, an approaching cold front will also cause strong winds along the coastline in the state's far southwest, as wintry system lash both ends of the south in Australia. But by far the most dynamic weather event affecting Australia this Tuesday is the deep complex low pressure system, which is centered over the eastern parts of the Great Australian Bight and slowly trekking further east. This system has already generated extremely strong winds in some locations, including an overnight gust of 113 km per hour at Threbdo Top Station, Australia's highest weather station, at 1965 meters above sea level. Coastal and elevated parts of southeastern Australia can expect the strongest winds on Tuesday. In South Australia, the west coast can expect a damaging wind gust up to 90 km per hour, while the Flinders Ranges and Mount Lofty Ranges can expect gusty of 100 km per hour. In Victoria, the Alpine region can expect gusts approaching 100 km per hour in strength. New South Wales damaging wind gusts can be expected along much of the Great Dividing Ranges, all the way up to the northern tablelands, with further gusts exceeding 100 km likely in the Snowy Mountain. That's all for this weather update. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest weather news, storm tracking and severe weather updates from Australia and around the world.